Okay, and we are live. First of all, I would like to say good evening from my side, and I want to greet each of you a pleasant good day wherever you are in the world. This will be my second episode of my live session or sweet conversation with my very special guest. So before I go ahead, let me introduce myself first. My name is Carmi from the Philippines, and I am the face behind my Facebook page, Carmi Nino. A single mom of three boys, a former OFW for 15 years, a full-time employee, and a proud digital business owner. Today, I have invited a guest, a fellow business owner. So let me introduce her to you. She is an amazing woman whose journey is going to inspire us all. She has been in New Zealand for 6 years now, a registered nurse by profession. She has been working as a nurse for 18 years. And during her 18 years, she spent mostly of her nursing career out of the Philippines because she works in Bahrain for 8 years as a nurse, of course. That is how our guest for today demonstrated resiliency and dedication to her job. She is also a Filipina, just like me, and she hails from Baguio City, a proud digital business owner. Ladies and gentlemen, help me welcome a fellow digital business owner with her passion and due diligence, also bringing lots of experiences that will uh, be valuable learning and shared experience with her. Let's all welcome her with a big round of applause, Sis Marigel Miorong. Sis Jel! Uh,
Yes.
Hello, Sis
Thank
Jel.
you. And thank you for gracing my my adjustment of time.
No problem, sis.
Thank you so much,
Uh,
sis.
Yeah, it's my honor to have you here on my business page, sis. First of all, sis, please greet our audience and a brief introduction of yourself.
Yeah. Hello to you out there. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Good evening on my side. It's actually 10:35 on our side here in New Zealand. So currently I'm here in New Zealand in Auckland, working as a registered nurse. So as Sis Carmi said, I came from Baguio City and so yes, I'm a registered nurse by profession. I've been nursing for 18 years now. I've worked most of my nursing career is outside of the Philippines, which is I've been in Bahrain for 8 years and I actually stayed in the Philippines for around 2 years just to stay with my mom and of course my family because I have been away from them for that span of year. And then of course, as we know, Philippines uh, it's a little bit tight. Yeah, income wise. So I still have to decide to go out of the Philippines again. So that's when I decided to come here in New Zealand because my brother was also here that time. So yeah, that's me.
Thank you so much, sis. Sis, feel free to speak in any language you
Okay,
want. Tagalog,
sure, sure.
Tagalog,
Sige,
English,
halo-halo na.
whatever. Oo, tama.
Oo,
Mas maganda daw kasi pag sariling language natin. So
true.
sis, I want to ask you, kasi 'di ba, andito na nga tayo sa online business. Gaya ko, sabi ko sa iyo, I've been almost 2 years na siya.
Yes.
So I wanted to ask you kung what is your biggest whys and what inspired you to join and start this online business?
Okay, so starting up. So actually this online business, even before I was like wanting to do something online that I could work from home. So when I went home to the Philippines into 2016, like I thought it was for good. So I have been like doing some transcription, medical transcription. Not only medical, also the like verbatim transcription. I was doing that one before, and then I was looking for something, yeah, that I can really work from home. So most usually that you can work from home is like this, like digital, isn't it? So I actually even tried, that English tutor, but it
Yeah.
wasn't it wasn't I think it's not for me. I tried for a while, but I think it's not for me. Yeah. And then finally, I think what's this? I was thinking, oh, maybe I'm really for nursing. I'm not for any other job or any career, but nursing. So finally, I went back. I went to work for a like for specialists, to be a secretary for them, like for
Mhm.
the span of 2 years. But then, of course, yeah, because of the income, we still have to find another one. Then I came here in New Zealand. So when I came here, actually, it was okay, but then I wasn't with my family the first time I came here. So, of course, that was my goal, to be with them, because for that span of 8 years in Bahrain, my husband came with me after 5 years. But then, of course, our son, our eldest, was back in the Philippines. So it's just the struggle of being an overseas worker, being away from family. So syempre gusto mo naman na magkakasama kayo. Syempre, but of course in the Middle East, parang medyo mahirap din yun. Kasi syempre yung education din ng bata, medyo iba din yung culture. Syempre gusto mo rin namang lumaki sa culture na kinalakihan mo. So yun. Tapos ano naman, finally, luckily, yun, nakuha ko naman sila dito. Pero syempre habang tumatagal, ito na nga, tumataas ang bilihin, tumataas ang mga ano.
That's
Tapos
true,
minsan
sis.
nakakapagod din pala kahit pala gustong-gusto mo yung trabaho mo, kahit pala gustong-gusto mo yung profession mo. Minsan nakakapagod din pala. Tapos
Yes.
yung parang wala kang masyadong naiipon, parang palabas lahat ng kita. Tapos yan, sabi ko parang, yun, sabi ko sa asawa ko. Tapos nga, nakita ko si Sisha, actually, 3 years ago pa, 2021 or 2021. Tapos na-curious ako, nagtanong na ako actually sa kanya. I got curious, I asked her, I inquired, I even registered, I know. Pero I did not do anything about it. So I was just receiving all the emails, but then I haven't done anything about it. And then come after 3 years, 2024, ganun pa rin. It was the same old routine. Ganun pa rin, parang I'm still on that same place 2, 3 years ago or even when I came here. Sabi ko parang hindi na to tama. Parang kailangan na atang mag-level up. So
Oh,
ayun, of course, syempre kahit papaano, as we all as we all are starting this business, we were skeptical. So pero ang pinanghawakan ko na lang, hindi ko naman talaga yung sa masasabing close friends si siya. Kilala ko talaga siya from high school. So parang ilang beses ko siya yata naging classmate noon. But then we are not like that close friend. But I know her. And I know she's that shy type, that ano, pero sabi ko, it seems like it's working. Sabi ko, kasi nakikita ka siya, ano. So, yun, I tried again. Register ulit ako sa kanya. Parang, na ano naman ako. Tapos, yun. So, syempre, sinabi ko sa asawa ko, minsan, ang mga husband is ano, di ba? Sila yung medyo mas ano. Tsaka nakatry na din kasi kami ng yung parang mag-invest sa mga, although hindi naman kasi kakilala, pero yung parang may mga kakilala kang nag-try nun, tapos nag-invest ka din, kaso walang nangyari. Imbis na nag-gain ka, na-lose pa. So parang nawala din. Oo, kaya yun, so far naman yun, nakita ko si Sha, bumalik ako sa kanya. Tapos, although may regret, may regret for some point, because sabi ko, sana inumpisan ko noon pa. Sana pala ni-start ko na noon, nakita ko na noon pa. Pero syempre, yun nga, kagaya nung sinabi ko din dati na ano, it might be that this would be the time. Siguro nung time na nakita ko noon, hindi pa siguro yun yung time na kailangan mag-invest. Ayun. So, and then, of course, siguro ang pinakaano ko na noon, syempre yun, dalawa na nga yung anak namin na biglang nasundan. Na akala namin wala na. After 17 years, yeah. It was my son, my first one was 15 years old nung nasundan siya. So, yun na, of course, a family na na lumalaki din ng gastos. So, yun.
Sa'yo, sis. O,
Sila
yun.
yung greatest why ko.
Oo, nakaka-relate ako sa'yo kasi just like you, ako nga, 15 years as an OFW. So, syempre, sasabihin mo nga, ako gaya mo rin, may mga anak din ako, so they are my biggest why, diba? So, nung umuwi din kami dito sa Pilipinas, so hindi naman yun nga, hindi naman kalakihan ng sweldo na kailangan mo ano dito sa Pilipinas, so kailangan mo ng additional side hustle na magsusustain sa financial ano mo. Yun din, just like you, nakita ko lang din yung ads dun sa aking feeds. So, nag-inquire lang din ako kay Sha. So,
Si
nung
Sisha din
una,
ba?
lahat naman tayo, all of us dito sa business, online business na to, siguro, at first, skeptical ka, hindi ka makapaniwala kasi sasabihin mo, ganito ba tong online business? And then when after series of investigation nga, yung pag-ano ko kay Sisha, na totoo naman. So, nag-join ako. Pero yun nga, dahil kanina, ang dami kong ano sa'yo. So, relate ako sa mga istorya mo, sis. Ayan,
Diba?
kaya kailangan natin talaga ng additional side hustle. So
Mm-mm.
sis, dito sa online business na to, what were some of your challenges you faced while running your digital business and how did you overcome them nga pala?
Mm-mm. So, yung challenges, ang dami. Actually, syempre, una dyan, yung financial talaga. Kasi syempre, yun nga yung dahilan bakit tayo nag-ano. Pero, like, sabi nga, in any business, kailangan mo talaga mag-invest. Hindi lang pwedeng time or effort. Kailangan talaga mag-invest ng pera. Which is, lahat naman ata ng business ganun eh. Wala namang business na hindi ka mag-invest tapos meron kang gain, parang ganun. So, siguro yun din yung gusto kong iparating sa iba na this is a business. It's not a job that we are offering you. Parang ganun. It's a business na magiging sayo talaga. And eventually, you can pass it on to your children. So, yun, financially, of course, we weren't really like stable financially. So, when I started this one, buti na lang kamo. Kung anong meron, at saka sinabihan ko syempre yung asawa ko, o go naman siya. So, ako din, pinag-pray ko talaga nung nakita ko kasi to, tapos sabi ko, ay, may ganito pala. Kailangan kong i-discuss sa kanya. Tapos syempre, kailangan mong tignan yung finances mo, kung papaano, kung kaya ba, o ano. So, yun. So far naman, kinaya. Kinaya naman, yun, nag-invest. Pero talagang worth it naman. Kasi you're not just investing for income's sake. You're also investing for your health and wellness. Which is which is a good gain. Mm-mm. So, yun yung pinaka-unang challenge ko talaga. So, yung pangalawa ko is actually yung time. So, nung nag-start ako, sabi ko, sige, parang okay naman, magagawa ko siya. Kaso habang tumatagal, kasi I'm working nights permanently. So, I'm working Monday to Friday, night shift. So, yun sabi ko, kaya ko kaya talagang bigyan ng time. Kasi syempre, kailangan mo din talagang bigyan ng time. Kung hindi, wala ding mangyayari. Di ba? So, sabi ko, kaya, gagawa ng paraan. Oo. Kaya minsan, kung may time din ako sa work, ganyan. So, I always check on my business din. Oo. So, yun, I think mostly yun talaga yung naging challenge ko. Ay, tapos ngayon, ito na yung going online, going live. Sabi ko, wala talaga akong ano dati, hindi ko, parang feeling ko hindi ko kaya. Pero habang tumatagal pala, nagiging ano ka, yun yung binago ng business sa akin actually. Parang,
Sis,
oo.
nakaka-relate din ulit ako sa'yo dyan. Sabi nga kasi nila, kung gusto, maraming paraan. Kung
Yan,
ayaw,
totoo.
marami kang dahilan, di ba?
Oo,
So
totoo
sabi
yan.
ko, parang sa'yo, ako kasi night shift for the rest of my 10 years sa trabaho ko. So sabi
Mm.
ko, shucks, kailangan ko siyang lagyan ng ano, ng oras. Kasi kung hindi, parang nag-invest ka rin lang nang wala din lang mangyayari. Parang ininvest mo yung pera mo tapos wala ka pang nakukuhang return. So sabi ko, so kailangan na natin na umpisahan talaga to. At saka ang daming
Mm.
nabago nito. Lately, when yung ating ibang program sa isang ano natin, sa isang
Oo.
group, hindi pa yun nalo-launch, hindi ko talaga dinidare mag-live or mag ano ng ganitong online ano live sa ano video na
Same
ganito.
tayo,
Pero dahil
sis. Same
dito,
tayo.
oo,
Postings
dahil
lang talaga
dito,
ako.
tama, totoo. Ikaw,
Oo.
ako din ganun. So, relate ako sa you, sis. So, going further,
Malamang
sis,
maraming nakaka-relate sa atin, sis.
yes, marami makaka-relate sa atin
Oo.
neto kasi parehas tayong mahiyain. Ganon. So, going further, sis, o si,
Mm.
gaya niyan, ikaw, meron kang maliit na baby. How do you balance yung demand of running this business with your personal life and family responsibilities naman?
So yun, kasi kami din ng asawa ko is parang shifting sa work, shifting din sa bahay. So yung husband ko kasi working from 8 to 4 naman siya. So ang ginagawa ko na lang, pagdating niya ng hapon, so I will ask time na magawa ko din 'to, at least makaano ako, um, makapag-online ako before matulog din ako, for my shift, for that night shift. Kasi usually I sleep at least 2 hours before I go for shift, eh. So, apart from yung matutulog ko ng umaga, tapos sa umaga naman may time pa din naman ako habang pinapakain ko yung anak ko. Yan, minsan nanonood ako ng mga masterminding natin, yung mga ganyan, mga replays. So, tapos yun, answer ng queries, kung may mga queries, ganyan. Tapos, ayun. So, ganun. Kung as long as meron akong time na ma-spare, so ginagawa ko talaga yun. Tapos sa weekend, at least weekend is Saturday, Sundays, hours naman. So, yan. Kahit papano, may time talaga. Tapos pagtulog yung anak ko, yan. Kaya usually, gabi talaga ako nakaano pag weekend. Kasi
So,
mas
hindi talaga ako, ano sis,
marami
hindi talaga ako nagkamali ng pag-invite sa'yo kasi parehas ang ating time zone.
oras.
So, panggabi din ako. So, morning
Oo.
tayo. So, gising,
Swak.
gano'n kagising ng ating email. So, relate na
Mm.
relate talaga ako sa'yo. Sabi kasi, actually, I asked permission from si Sha. Sabi ko, si Sha, pwede ba kitang ma-invite for interview? Sabi kong gano'n sa kanya. Sabi niya, naku sis, I'm sorry, pero hindi pa ako prepared sa ganyan. Pero I
Oo
want
nga.
I want to recommend one person that you could
Ah,
do the interview. Sabi
gano'n,
niya,
ah.
oo. So sabi ko, okay, I have to go. Actually, tatlo kayong binanggit niya. So sabi ko, no, I have to go to sis Jill first. So kasi nga, hindi siya prepared. So I don't know na panggabi ka din pala, tas morning
Mm.
gising ka. So sabi ko, ngayon hindi ako nagkamali ng pag-invite sa'yo. Kasi madaming
Oo.
makaka-relate sa ating dalawa. So going further, sis, I still have another question for
Oh,
you.
sige
What
sis,
do
no
you like
problem.
about this business? What do you like most about this business? And please share some insight about it.
Yun. So, ang pinakagusto ko talaga dito, syempre yung time na wala kang, parang sarili mo yung oras mo eh. So, you can do it anytime. Kahit nasaan ka pa, pwede mong gawin. Tapos walang nagmamando sa'yo, walang nagre-require sa'yo na ganitong oras ang kailangan mong matapos, ganitong oras ka dapat online, or ganitong oras ka dapat may ginagawa, parang ganon. So, yun yung pinakagusto ko, yung flexibility talaga. Which is, yun talaga yung hinahanap ng Most of us, I think. 'Di ba? Tapos, isa pa, syempre yun, hindi talaga tayo yun nga, more on family time, and then the business is working in our background dahil sa automation, 'di ba? Tapos, ang isa pa, dahil nga hindi naman tayo tech savvy, ngayon nagiging tech savvy tayo at marunong umalikot ng kung ano-ano, pindot dito, pindot diyan, para lang ano, para lang matuto. At ang pinakagusto ko kasi may step by step training tayo. So hindi talaga tayo mawawala basta susundan natin yung training ng maayos. Tapos, ang pinakagusto ko talaga dito is yung community. Kasi ever since nag-join ako, hindi ko talaga naramdaman na syempre may mentor tayo, may coaches tayo, 'di ba? Pero not all the time talagang ano, ako din minsan nahihiya talaga ako na lagi kong kinukulit si siya eh. Pero grabe siya ha. Talagang ano, responsive. Anytime, talagang ano, kaya na-appreciate ko din talaga siya. Kahit si ano, si Coach Ella, of course. Kahit mga tanong mo talagang queries mo, sasagutin nila. Which is, yun ang isang thankful ako sa business na to. Sa community, tsaka syempre, tulungan talaga. Hindi mo mararamdaman na nag-iisa ka. Meron at merong tutulong sa'yo kahit ano, halimbawa, hindi pa gising yung mentor mo. Tapos may kailangan ka, may technical issues ka sa mga ano mo, sa mga ginagawa mo. Meron kang matatanungan. So yun yung pinakagusto ko. Tapos syempre, yung parang ganito na hindi man tayo nagkita-kita personally, pero alam mo parang may family ka na matatakbuhan. Hindi na, it's not business partners only. Parang ganon. It's also like a family, like friends na hindi mo pa nami-meet, ganon. Kaya actually ako, parang lalo akong naging confident nung na-meet ko si Sis Rina and Ate Bing. Kasi nung pumunta sila dito sa Auckland, na-meet ko
Sina,
sila.
yung din sa New Zealand. Andyan din sa New Zealand, sis. Sis
Mm.
Tina.
Pero sa Gisborne sila, medyo malayo kasi. Parang 5-6 hours drive from here. Pero nung pumunta sila dito ng Auckland, nag-meet kami. Ganon din si Sis Bing, magkapitbahay yata kasi sila ni Sis Rina.
Sis Tina.
Mm. So
Yun.
yun. So
Tama.
parang nakakaano lang din ng feeling na I'm really part of a community. Parang ganon. Hindi lang siya,
Tama.
hindi ka nag-iisa sa business na to. Yun yung gusto ko.
Yes, very
Hmm.
tama sis,
Yes.
relate ako sa'yo. Kasi sabi ko nga, ako, yung mga taong sa ibang bansa na dito mo lang nakilala, pero
Mm.
feeling family kayo, parang hindi ka iba kasi yun nga, ayun, gaya ng sabi mo si siya, anytime sabi niya nga, I'm always be very supportive sa inyo.
Oo nga eh. Kahit
Ganon. Kasi
ano siya,
anytime, kahit
siya yung face behind.
yes,
Siya
kahit
talaga yung
ano,
literal face
anything under
behind.
the sun, tama. Uy sis, very grateful ako ha sa'yo kasi syempre pinagbigyan mo yung
Oh,
aking
hindi.
recommendation, ang aking invitation. And because of the recommendation,
Oo nga eh, nagulat ako doon
siya,
na si
oo.
siya.
Sabi niya, oo, siya. Sabi niya, ito na lang sis. Sabi niya, actually, ano pa yan by hierarchy. Siya, sabi niya. Yung ano ko daw, ang i-message ko. Sabi ko, hindi, si ano muna ako. So, sabi niya, I'll remain very supportive sa inyo, sabi niya. So, very
Oo nga
grateful
eh.
ako sa iyo kasi pinagbigyan mo tong aking invitation sa
Hmm.
ating
Thank
live
you din
go
sis.
live. Sis, bago tayo mag-end sa ating live, any last say sa ating audience and lahat ng ating mga viewers?
Ayun. So, sa inyo lahat dyan, na medyo nag-iisip-isip pa din, huwag niyong tagalan masyado. Kasi, sayang ang oras, sayang ang araw, ang buwan, ang taon. Ako, nagsisi ako dyan. So, siguro by this time sana, medyo okay na. Pero anyway, nandito na ako. So, join us. This is actually more of helping each other for to gain time and financial independence actually. Tapos, you will see us, we are all real people, mga nanay, tatay, may mga lolo pa nga, may mga lola, may mga iba nag-retire nang dahil dito. So, yun, this is something for keeps and something na pwede nating i-pass on sa mga mahal natin sa buhay. Kung kanino man, sa anak natin, pwedeng-pwede, sa magulang natin, kung gusto ninyo. Ayun, so this is like a legacy that you can pass on to your loved ones. So yun, and ang ano dito, lifetime to. Hindi, yeah, once you're in, hindi ka magsisisi talaga. Ako, wala akong pinagsisihan since nag-join ako sa business na to. Parang puro ano lang, grateful lang talaga ako sa lahat. Ayun, so, yun, kung gusto niyong makita kung anong ginagawa namin sa business na to, you can chat any of us or you can also go to any of our website. So my website will be mikegem.com, www.mikegem.com. And then Sis Carmi here, you can see it on her screen. Yan. Or you can always reach us anytime. Yeah. If you're curious about the business.
Yes, thank you so much, sis, for that beautiful and valuable insight of yours dito sa ating online business na to. So, to everyone out there is never a perfect time to start a
Mhm.
business, but there is
True.
definitely something to be said for going into the process, knowing your strength and weaknesses. I hope that these questions help you discover whether starting an online business now is right for you. That's right, sis?
Yes, that's right.
Yes.
Don't wait for
Uh,
another pandemic. Wag
yes.
naman. Wag naman, wag
Uh,
naman.
That's right, sis. Sis Jel, thank you so much ha for
Thank you
gracing
din
my
po.
invitation.
Thank you, Ate
Yes. Hanggang
Carmi.
sa muli. Thank you so much
Yes.
everyone and to sa inyo pong lahat na gustong mag-join. Any one of us, you can message whatever, any questions you had. Thank you sis. Sa susunod ulit. Have a
Thank you
good
din,
night there
sis.
sa New
You too. Have a good
Zealand.
night.
Yes. Bye-bye po. Thank you so much.